welcome back to Red Ted Art. Oh my cuteness, the Christmas card fun continues. You know that we love pop-up cards, and this is a super cute gingerbread one that you can make. Come on, let's learn and see how these are made. To make our gingerbread pop-up card, we're going to use some cardstock. I'm going to use green. We're going to use some brown paper, scissors and glue, pencils, but then also a whole bunch of scrap. Now this might look like a lot of materials, but really all you need is the paper, the brown paper and the card, and go from there. But these are all the extras that you can then help use for decorating. So the first thing you need to do is make your gingerbread that will pop out. Now, I spent a little bit of time earlier on creating a template. So this is my template, but really it's up to you. You don't need a template, but you can see my shape and you can try and copy it. But what you need to do is you need to concertina your paper into, in my case, about 3 centimeter strips. So let's see, I think that's 3 centimeters, but if it's not quite right, it doesn't matter because I'll just adjust it and redraw it. And then you keep concertinaing it until you have 6 folds. Get them as neat as you can. You need them all aligning. You've got, trim that bit off because you won't need it, but you can keep it for decorating. Okay, so you have the 6 folds in brown, yeah? Now you need to draw with the closed side. So this is the closed side, this is the open side. My head will need to go on this side, so the closed, this is open, this is closed, and then look, I made it slightly bigger, it doesn't matter. I'm going to trace my pattern, and then I'm going to make it slightly bigger to meet, because you have to, your gingerbread man has to touch both sides, yeah? So I'm going to make the arm just a little bit longer so that it touches this open edge. There we go, that looks quite cute already. So excited. Cut out. Let's just check that it all worked out well. Yay! We have our gingerbread men. Now the pop-up will work this way, so you can just turn it, flip it around. And now it's time to decorate your little gingerbread men. So I think it's good to just keep it easy and have some fun. I'm going to begin with drawing on some little faces. I'm going to add some detail in coloured paper. Just to save a little bit of time, I cut out from my scraps some circles, and I also cut out with my hole punch some little rosy cheeks. So I'm just going to glue those on. These circles are going to be buttons, and the rosy cheeks are obviously rosy cheeks. And then if you want, it's only because I always get a little bit carried away and I always think of new ideas. Paint on this, and I'm going to put some little white details on. Let that dry, and then once I'm drying, that's drying, I've got some more details to add. So I had to go with 2 different types of stripes. I just took a red pen and drew loads of stripes, and these are going to be my candy canes. So you basically cut diagonally into your stripes So you do a diagonal and then you just round it off. You decide which way around your stripe's going to be, your candy cane's going to go. I'm going to go this way around. It's going to face the other way. You don't have to add the candy canes. I just thought it'd be fun to have a little bit of extra detail in the picture. And then you have some candy canes to decorate the background. So they're all dry now. Last little bit. You need to crease the buttons because they haven't got a crease yet. Make sure your paint is dry before you do this. You don't want to smudge it. So crease them all again. Make sure the buttons are stuck down nicely. Just check everything's all right. Yep. And then you add glue. Well, actually, check first where you're going to have it. So it's probably going to be about this way. So I'm going to check glue all on one side. Then put glue on the other side. Close your card. Open. Look, aren't they fabulous? And then, as mentioned, just as a bit of fun and extra decoration, and to break up the green a little bit, add your candy cane. And your greeting card is finished. Now this is again part of a set. I've got more Christmas pop-up cards coming soon, so do, check out the channel. You don't want to miss those. They're really, really cute. And yeah, that's it. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and I'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.